Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to list a product on eBay step by step. So let's get started. After logging to your eBay Seller Hub, click on Create Listing. I have already hunted the product from Walmart to list. For example, I want to list this product. Just copy the title of this product, go to your account, start listing with the item info, describe your item, paste your title here, find the match 28 Aussie medium roast, 28 Aussie medium roast, or continue without match. Confirm the detail, select the condition of your item and video. Copy image address, go to Firefox browser, open new tab, search the link, take a screenshot, download, go back to listing page on eBay, upload from computer, go to your downloads, select image is uploaded, the SKU wall, the item number on Walmart. I am copying the item number, item category coffee, brand Starbucks, product ground coffee UPC, leave it blank or does not apply. Roast medium, flavor, just copy the link, Walmart link, go to ChatGPT and paste this link. Now come back to listing page, copy all this from here and paste on ChatGPT. Roast medium, flavor you could enter something like chocolate, toasted nut, cocoa, rich praline matching. Flavor copy chocolate and toasted nut. Here is flavor grind ground. Calorie, one year shelf life, number of serving, serving size. Item weight 28 Aussie. Few step left. Now it's time to write description. We said to ChatGPT to write a description. Create SEO based description for this product. Add one more thing. Create SEO based customer convincing description for this product. Paste in description page. Suggested price 33.99. Quantity 1. Shipping time 15 days. Item location. Promote your listing. Click on list it. Your listing is live now.